She's a rising star and would love to be called as the Queen of Noida.
I didn't know what to do. There were no jobs that were coming my way, and I don't stay in Bombay. I'm in Delhi, so not a lot of opportunities were coming my way, and I was confined into my home. So I thought, let's start making entertaining content on Instagram.
A few things like आपकी strategy क्या रहती है? How do you inspire yourself and what are the key things that you focus on कि you connect with those individuals जो आपका content देख रहे हैं? वो 5 skills या talent set क्या है जो एक बंदे या बंदी में होने चाहिए to be a successful content creator?
क्यों होगा? Does the father feel guilty?
And that I think keeps you going. What kind of rewards do you get apart from the money that people think you are earning? Algorithms play a major role on social media.
It's a fact.
Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Beautifully Candid with Gurpreet #keeping it real. As you all know, मेरी हमेशा ये कोशिश रहती है कि मैं आप लोगों के लिए नई इंडस्ट्री के बहुत ही एक्सपर्ट्स लोगों को लेके आऊँ ताकि आपको मिले राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन बट क्वाइट कैंडिडली. और आज मैं लेके आई हूँ एक ऐसी हस्ती को who is an expert in digital content creation. However, she is not just a content creator, a model, an actor, an influencer, and now a mompreneur. बहुत ही सुहानी सी हैं. She is a rising star and would love to be called as the Queen of Noida. So let's welcome Suhani Kohli. Welcome on the show.
Thank you for the lovely introduction, Gurpreet. Thank you.
You deserve it all. कैसा लग रहा है मेरे शो पे आके?
Okay, so she and I go way back. I think we met in 2020 at some acting workshop. Not some acting workshop, like Mukesh Chabda's acting workshop. And he made it happen. Like, he got us together into one group and we had to perform something together. He chose us to be friends, and I think then we stuck through. So I am so happy to be here on your show. And you have been dying to do this.
Yes.
Despite your job, despite life, being a mom now, but you've been dying to do this, and I'm so happy that you finally are on it.
Thank you so much. And I think support systems, when I started meeting you events पे और inspiration मिलती रहती है. So you definitely somewhere are an inspiration.
Thank you.
तो सुहानी एक बात बताओ, आपका content भी बड़ा engaging होता है, but आपकी एक काफ़ी लंबी journey रही है, right? You've been a model, an actor, an influencer, a mompreneur. It sounds cool, but I'm sure easy नहीं होगा.
It's super exhausting.
Yes, but tell us something about your journey. How did you start और आज आप जहाँ हो वहाँ कैसे पहुँचे?
So honestly, I never thought that content creation would be something that I would land up into. But I started as a model way back in 2011, and actor तो मुझे लगता है इंडिया में हर कोई बनना चाहता है. So that happened very organically. I'm still waiting for my web series to release. So modeling and acting came very organically. But during COVID, when everything was shut, I didn't know what to do. There were no jobs that were coming my way, and I don't stay in Bombay. I'm in Delhi, so not a lot of opportunities were coming my way, and I was confined into my home. So I thought, let's start making entertaining content on Instagram. And 2021, I got pregnant, I conceived, and I just, I was making some relatable content on pregnancy, and that somehow went viral. Entertaining videos sure were doing well in 2020, but 2021 was the prime time when my videos were hitting million views, and I was like, okay, this is something that I can do. And considering the market right now, I think modeling has taken a backseat.
Yeah.
And content creation is something that I do almost every day, and I absolutely love doing it.
But Suhani, so talking about modeling, you still were doing very well, है ना? McDonald's, Fab India, SBI, बहुत बड़े brands, and recently आपका hoarding भी लगा था यहाँ हमारे नोएडा में ही, which I called you and I said, I think it's still
Bikaner wala, it's still there.
Exactly. So कब वो मतलब breakthrough movement कब आया कि आपको लगा कि नहीं अब वापस से back seat लेने देती हूँ मैं उसको modeling को, but यही मेरा niche बनेगा content creation का?
So I think everybody, again, like I would say most people crave for fame. As far as print media is concerned, sure you're there, but you know your friends can spot you right there, but not any random person will say, you know, like, I know this face, I know the name. But with content creation came so much fame. And you know, when I was probably just watching a movie or walking in the mall, people used to come to me and they say, hey, you're Suhani si ladki, I know you know, you make such awesome content. Nobody, sure, you know, I was a star in my family and amongst my friends, but I wasn't approached by random people that, you know, you're, we've seen you somewhere. Yeah, that happened very rarely. But this was something I was known in households, that, you know, the power of social media is insane.
Yeah.
You can get fame if you are consistent and, you know, your content has power. So that's when I thought that, you know, whatever I was doing, I loved it. But this is something that, you know, I want to grow into.
सो डेफिनेटली फेम मिला आपको. वो इसलिए मिला क्योंकि इंस्टाग्राम क्या है, आप रिलेटेबल कंटेंट बनाते हो, राइट? एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट कनेक्टिंग पीपल, आई थिंक यू आर डूइंग एन अमेजिंग जॉब, सुहानी. मतलब 75,000 प्लस फॉलोअर्स, एंड एक दिन में नहीं हुए, ये मैंने खुद देखा है ग्रो करते हुए, राइट? तो डेफिनेटली यू आर डूइंग सर्टन थिंग्स विच आर राइट. अपने व्यूअर्स के लिए ना थोड़ा सा इसको ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. व्हाई डोंट यू टॉक अबाउट a few things like आपकी strategy क्या रहती है, how do you inspire yourself, and what are the key things that you focus on कि you know you connect with those individuals जो आपका content देख रहे हैं.
Right. So, एक तो I do question and answers round on my stories, and I ask because I know first you have to know what is your audience about. So I know that my audience is majorly new parents or like mothers who are also, you know, struggling raising their child or children. So I do question answers round a lot on my stories. उससे मुझे पता चलता है कि what are the challenges that they are facing, and then I make content on the same. Also, I have a book wherein I write whatever I need to. Even when I'm on a vacation, I do have my set of you know, reels ready कि मुझे ये करना है. Raghav is like, my husband, he's like, तुम vacation पे आई हो या तुम ये सब content create करने आई हो? Then I tell him that in a life of a content creator, there is absolutely no break.
Yeah.
मिल ही नहीं सकती, चाहे vacation पे हो, चाहे आप घर पे हो, चाहे आप खाना बना रहे हो, चाहे आप कुछ कर रहे हो. I recently made a reel on how to potty train my daughter also, so that was shot in a bathroom. So there is absolutely no break or no private life. And you know, I often think that what if I want to come up with my YouTube channel also, but it's just so much work, and there's just so much that, you know, you have to showcase on YouTube, that whatever personal life that is left, वो भी चली जाएगी. So it's a very calculated decision of what you want to show on social media and what you don't have to show.
Right. But consistency and no vacation is the key thing.
Consistency, definitely, sure. But like you can take vacations where you and your partner will come to terms कि इस vacation पे ना कोई phone use होएगा, ना कोई content create होएगा. तो तब जाके हो सकती है vacation. Otherwise, there's no concept of a break.
So it's tough, guys. It's not easy, but कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है, तो कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ेगा.
उसमें अपनी वेकेशन भी खो दो.
Exactly. तो very helpful, but मैं इसी पे कंटिन्यू करूँगी, you know, क्योंकि मैं देखती हूँ कि everybody, चाहे वो न्यू जनरेशन के लोग हैं, आप चाहे बड़े बुजुर्ग भी हैं, you know, they really want to be successful in content creation. है ना? बहुत की थिंग हो गई है आजकल. अच्छा, इंस्टाग्राम नहीं फॉलो कर रहे, मतलब मेरे साथ तो ये है कि मेरी मेड्स भी इंस्टाग्राम बनाती है रील, एंड यू वोंट बिलीव वन ऑफ माई हेल्प हैज़ 20,000 फॉलोअर्स. या सो वो भी बहुत कंसिस्टेंटली बना रही है. क्या बना रही है वो अलग बात है,
सबकी ऑडियंस अपनी है.
एग्जैक्टली. बट मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि वो 5 स्किल्स या टैलेंट सेट क्या है जो एक बंदे या बंदी में होने चाहिए टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल कंटेंट क्रिएटर?
Like how Pooh says it, consistency, 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 and consistency. See, if you make one video and leave it there, कोई वो नहीं देखने वाला. Instagram will not push your page to that audience. अगर आप एक रेसिपी वीडियो बना रहे हो, तो वो कोई नहीं देखने वाला. कोविड में कितने सारे लोगों ने अपना यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट किया कि हम कुकिंग करते हैं तो हम भी अपना यूट्यूब चैनल बनाएंगे.
Right.
कितनी वीडियोस डाली होंगी उन्होंने, 2, 3, 4 मैक्स 5 एंड देन दे स्टॉप्ड कि व्यूज नहीं आ रहे. ऐसा नहीं होता. आपको व्यूज कैप्चर करने के लिए कंसिस्टेंट होना पड़ेगा. डालो, हर रोज एक वीडियो डालो. आई रिमेंबर ड्यूरिंग माई प्रेगनेंसी, बिकॉज एज आई सेड देयर वाज नो वर्क एज फार एज मॉडलिंग एंड एक्टिंग वाज कंसर्न. एवरी डे आई वाज पोस्टिंग कंटेंट, रैंडम कंटेंट कि मेरा पैर बड़ा हो गया, I can't sleep properly, you know, I get itching on these parts, like whatever you can think of, whatever is relatable to the audience, post that, but every day.
Right. So consistency is the key again.
Yes.
Content जिसके लिए भी relevant होगा वो अपने आप देख लेगा.
Correct. And Instagram will push, or like YouTube will push that page to that certain audience कि इनको मैं अब ये दिखाता हूँ यार, ये तो बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं.
Okay, that's helpful.
Yeah.
अब मुझे बताओ, इतना सब ऑलरेडी आप कर रहे थे, अब आपने एक बेबी आपका 3 साल का हुआ नहीं कि आपने एक और कर लिया, which is के सरा सरा, your newest venture.
Yeah.
इसका फर्स्ट सीजन का जो आपका फर्स्ट के सरा सरा था वो मैंने अटेंड किया था. इट वाज रियली नाइस. बट आई थिंक फॉर द मासेस, व्हाट इज इट, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज इट, कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन आ गई एकदम से एक न्यू वेंचर की, और यू नो टॉक अबाउट इट अ लिटिल मोर.
So to be very, very honest, my child is almost 2.5 and I don't want her to be on social media. Like I don't want her to understand social media. She's too young. So she understands the term shoot, camera already. तो मैं उसको जितना exposure दूंगी वो और उतना expose होती जाएगी. That is why I wanted to do something which doesn't require her to be in front of the camera.
Okay.
Her and like my entire pregnancy journey was right there. She was a part of it since she's been in my womb.
Yeah.
But I thought that, you know, now is the time to pull her back a little from the nazar of everybody. So इसीलिए मैंने ये venture start किया. And also because I love socializing, I love communicating, I had already built some connections. So I thought कि यार नोएडा में कुछ करते, क्योंकि नोएडा में कुछ ज़्यादा खास होता नहीं है. कार्निवल्स, इवेंट्स, मेला सब दिल्ली जाते हैं. दिल्ली जाते हैं और गुड़गांव भी जाते हैं. तो नोएडा में कुछ होता नहीं था. तो मुझे ये था कि नोएडा की क्वीन बनते हैं, कुछ रिलेटेबल ऐसा करते हैं जहाँ पे सब अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ आएँ और अपना टाइम एंजॉय करें. बेसिकली दैट वाज दी मोटा thought behind it.
Right. So it's a carnival.
It's a carnival.
Which has activities, shopping, stalls and everything in it. So
games, educational workshops for children. So we've kept it as such कि जहाँ पे प्राइमरी जो अट्रैक्शन होएगा वो बच्चों के लिए ही होगा. Because I've kept it on my daughter's name. It means K Sera Sera. My daughter's name is Seher.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just want people to have fun, have a good time, and also I want children to get some education too when they go back home in terms of dance, creativity, sensory activities, like etc. But yeah, majorly that.
Superb idea. अब तो मैं खुद एक मॉम हूँ, so I know what you mean when you say कि कुछ बाहर करने के लिए बच्चों के लिए होना चाहिए, वरना वो सारा दिन फोन पे confined हो जाते हैं.
Yeah.
But you know, it's not always sunshine and rainbows, right? इतना कुछ करना and then being a mom, कभी mom guilt हुआ है?
Mom guilt नहीं होता मुझे. No, I've never felt the guilt because this is what I chose. It's a choice that I've made. You know, I could be sitting at home.
Yeah.
And you know, doing nothing, like just taking care of the house and my child, but this is what I've chosen, so no guilts. And again, like, you know, I'm not in a 9 to 5 corporate job wherein I have to go show my face to people. I am my own boss. I can work from the comfort of my home.
Yeah.
Sure, I do step out to meet friends, to have meetings and everything, but no, there has been absolutely no guilt.
I love this. And सुहानी, इस पे मैं थोड़ा और आपसे कुछ मैसेजिंग चाहूँगी, right? Because अगर 9 to 5 जॉब भी है, you know, if you're choosing for whatever reason, you're choosing to be in a profession, guilt नहीं होना चाहिए, I believe. तो कभी भी नहीं हुआ?
Never.
उसका एक रीजन बता दो किसी को भी, like अगर जैसे मैं हूँ.
Again, मेरी तो choice है ना.
Exactly. So
it's my choice. अगर मैं बोलूँ कि क्यों होगा, does the father feel guilty? Then How can a mom feel guilty? Sure, we are the providers as far as, you know, breastfeeding them, giving them milk, nurturing them. It's all that a mother does. ये पापा नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Right.
जो father है वो नहीं कर सकता है. Father can be the provider. इन masses यही होता है कि बाप जाता है काम पर, घर आता है पैसे लेकर, माँ संभालती है. तो अगर माँ अपने लिए थोड़ा टाइम निकाल रही है just to support the family or even for herself, even if she wants to work, I don't see any wrong in it and I don't see that she should feel guilty about it.
तो ये तो वो कियन का वाली बात हो गई.
हाँ.
अब कियन का में अगर का बच्चा हो गया तो की अपना काम तोड़ना छोड़ देगी.
Exactly my point. तो अगर हमें काम पे जाना है और अगर बच्चे को पीछे छोड़ रहे हैं केयर टेकर के पास, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पास, तो मैं तो कहती हूँ बहुत बढ़िया, हो जाएंगे मैनेज यार, पल जाएंगे.
ब्रिलियंट. बट थोड़े चैलेंजेस के बारे में बताओ और आपने कैसे ओवरकम किया
कौन से
अपने इस जर्नी में, लाइक मैनेजिंग एवरीथिंग, इवन बीइंग अ मदर, प्लस उसके अलावा भी इतनी सारी चीज़ें एक प्लेटर पे हैं, खाना भी नहीं ख़त्म कर पाते हम तो पूरा. तो ये सारा जब आप कर रहे हो एक साथ, कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हो?
manage. Some days are tough, honestly. I won't lie, some days are very, very tough and I don't know like in which direction I'm going because there's just so much on me. My father tells me that, you know, keep going. But my mom is like, you've taken too much upon yourself. Calm down. And I'm like, listen, if I rest, my palpitations will go high. I'll be like shit because I have been somebody who's always been enterprising and on the go. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता कि मैं कमरे में बंद हो जाऊं, बैठी रहूं, घर का काम करूं, फिर बैठ जाऊं, टीवी देखूं. No, like my TV time is fixed. It has to be during the night for like 1-2 hours and then you go off to sleep. Other than that, I like to hustle, I like to work. So my challenge is like when I think that what will I be doing in the next 5 years, if you ask me, I have no idea. And that is the biggest challenge that I need to find out that कि मैं अगले 5 साल में कर क्या रही होंगी, कोई मुझे ये तो बता दो. But ये for sure है कि कुछ ना कुछ तो कर रही होंगी because I've jumped, skipped and hopped any which way so many professions in the past say 10 years, though they all have been connected to one another. Like I've always been in front of the camera, but still like, you know, it's sometimes it does get a lot.
But I'm sure बहुत अच्छी जगह पे होगी जहाँ पे भी होगे. अब ये challenges जब आप overcome कर रहे हो तो इसके कुछ rewards होंगे, है ना? And that I think keeps you going. What kind of rewards do you get apart from the money that people think you are earning?
I was just about to say that Kareena Kapoor Khan once very fairly said on Coffee with Karan that I don't care about the awards, I care about the rewards.
Yes.
So rewards in terms of money for sure, but recently I got an award in Mumbai as the most influential mom journey.
Yeah.
So I think that was something that satisfied my soul कि मैं इतना काम जो किया है, you know, I could hit 1 million followers so easily in one night. It can be bought. Everybody knows it.
Yeah.
And when you open a profile, you can figure out, you know, कि किसके organic followers हैं, किसके नहीं हैं. So once your work is there and, you know, somebody approaches you that, you know, we want to give you that recognition. मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगा. It was a very, very nice feeling when somebody called you. And, you know, to receive an award from Malaika Arora Khan, that was a big win in itself. And my mom was there with me to get an award of the most influential mom journey. And my mom was backing me up. So I think it was an awesome feeling.
I think ये बहुत proud moment होता है.
Yeah.
Like अगर स्कूल में भी कोई award मिल रहा हो और मम्मियाँ सामने बैठी हो ना तो बड़ा मजा आता है. तो definitely congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And I think everything that you have said definitely makes sense, right? And I'm sure कि ये हमारे audience को, moms को, fathers को भी you know inspire करेगा. अब हम चलते हैं हमारे myths and facts वाले section में. ये मेरा favorite section है, ठीक है? इसमें ये रैपिड फायर राउंड है.
Oh God.
मैं एक हैम्पर नहीं दे रही अभी. हैम्पर बाद
में ले लूंगी.
एग्जैक्टली. बट रैपिड फायर राउंड है. इसमें मैं एक स्टेटमेंट बोलूँगी, आपको बताना है वो मिथ है या फैक्ट है, और अगर मिथ है तो उसका फैक्ट बता देना जल्दी से.
ये मेरे हिसाब से सब मिथ होगी क्योंकि फैक्ट्स कुछ नहीं है.
ट्राई करते हैं. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसिंग का मतलब है इजी मनी.
Myth. It's not a fact. Easy कहाँ से है ये? Like I'm telling you कि during my pregnancy, I was making content every day. If it was easy, I would just have been sleeping and chilling the entire time. I was making content every day and then posting and then replying to everybody. It was not easy.
Yeah.
It's definitely not easy. And especially when you get trolled, it directly hampers your mental health. So it's not easy at all to showcase your personal life out there.
राइट. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट नंबर्स. अगर आपके 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स हो गए हैं तो आप सक्सेसफुल हो.
हाँ हाँ मिथ. 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर तो मैं बोल रही हूँ अभी करके दिखा देती हूँ. खरीद दूंगी सारे के सारे फिर.
राइट. तो मिथ है.
एब्सोल्युटली मिथ.
Algorithms play a major role on social media.
इट्स अ फैक्ट. सो बेसिकली कैसे वर्क करता है, एज आई टोल्ड यू कि अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट हो तो इंस्टाग्राम आपकी प्रोफाइल को खुद आगे पुश करेगा. ऑल्सो इफ यू शेयर रिलेटेबल कंटेंट, वो जो एरो होता है ना इंस्टाग्राम पे और एक सेव का ऑप्शन होता है ऐसा, वो दोनों अगर ऐसा कंटेंट होएगा कि जिसपे शेयर और सेव ज्यादा आएंगे, वो अपने आप ज्यादा ऑडियंस को.
वो तो आप नहीं खरीद सकते.
अरे नहीं, वो नहीं खरीद सकते. आप क्या क्या खरीदोगे? एवरीथिंग इज नॉट बॉट.
Right. Influencing is a stress-free but very glamorous job to do.
Myth. So glamorous for sure, and a lot of people who are, you know, paisa wala are doing really well on Instagram. So luxury really sells on Instagram. That's a taken.
Yeah.
But stress-free, no. Even somebody who's rich will have stress. If you've come into this life, my friend, suffering is something that is inevitable.
Yeah.
So वो तो मिलेगी. कितनी मिलेगी ये नहीं पता.
ये नहीं पता. अच्छा, ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ना थोड़ा रिलेटेड है. ठीक है. इन्फ्लुएंसिंग इज ओनली फॉर द रिच एंड द यंग.
It's a myth. So during COVID, I learned cooking while watching videos of Kavita's Kitchen and Nisha Madhulika.
Okay.
These two are superstars in terms of cooking. And they're not young. And they're not rich. They were not rich. Now they are rich.
Right.
So it's definitely myth. It's ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि, you know, it's age restricted. You have to find your niche. But I would still say that, you know, if you already have some power and fame and money to your name, it just gets a little easy. Yeah, right. Because people want to see what an exotic life you have. You know, you're going so and so places to travel, and then the bags you're buying. Yeah. Everybody wants to see that. Even if they say I don't want to, they're lying.
Yeah.
So luxury sells on Instagram. एज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ऐसा कुछ.
बॉलीवुड वाइब्स इसीलिए तो चला.
हाँ वही तो.
ओके. वन वायरल रील कैन मेक यू सक्सेसफुल.
One viral reel, it's a myth. So there can be two options. Either your one viral reel is viral, they have hit million views, and then you buy followers.
Okay.
So that you're there in the market. Yeah, I mean, you know, now I'm thinking that guy, कच्चा बादाम guy, उसका तो वैसे हुआ था.
लेकिन वो गायब हो गया.
तो यही तो होता है ना, it's short lived.
Yeah.
The fame is short lived. If you want to be there in the market, वही फिर consistency की बात आ जाती है ना. So either you in cash on it, like your one video goes viral, and then you keep making videos that could go viral.
Right.
Like if somebody's जयमाला की video goes viral, वो अपना wedding content बार post करते रहते हैं कि, you know, this is something that the audience is enjoying.
Correct.
So you have to be seen. Out of sight is out of mind on Instagram. One day if you go missing, people will be like कहाँ गई, तीसरे दिन पूछेंगे भी.
That's right. Awesome.
I rest my case.
This was amazing. अब सुहानी, this is the last part.
इतना blunt और honest होने के लिए ना मेरे को लग रहा है Instagram मेरे को बोलेगा get out. You can't be seen here.
I think they will want to see more of you.
Yeah.
जाते जाते एक मैसेज दे दो अपने उन अपकमिंग इन्फ्लुएंसर्स या कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को जो इस इंडस्ट्री में बढ़ना चाहते हैं बट स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. यू नो, आपका क्या मैसेज रहेगा या क्या सजेशन रहेगा उनको सो दैट दे आर एबल टू मेक इट once in a life वाला इवेंट.
Okay, so what I would like to say is that the industry is huge. You know, you definitely can make a place for yourself. it's not that tough. But first, you should understand what your niche is, which is that particular thing which you want to showcase to the audience. If it's fashion, if it's skincare, makeup, stick to it. If it's cooking, stick to it. Stick to it. Like, you should understand your niche and also be consistent. These are the two things that you should follow, and the world will accept you on social media.
सुपर, थैंक यू सो मच एंड आई होप आप सबको मज़ा आया होगा आज का पॉडकास्ट देख के, और बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव भी है. मैं ऐसे ही और नए नए गेस्ट्स को लेके आऊँगी, हो सकता है रिपीट भी कर लूँ. लेकिन आप बने रहिए, देखते रहिए ब्यूटिफुली कैंडिड विद गुरप्रीत #कीपिंग इट रियल. थैंक यू सुहानी.
Thank you.